Hi, it's Zach, and I'm really excited to bring you today's deal on the Mini Racer with Stunt Dome. This is a simple yet super fun toy. It's actually our top pick for the funnest toy of the 2019 trade shows. We had a blast with this thing, and what it is a little mini race car that when you turn on, it actually has multicolored flashing lights and 2 different speed modes. Its top speed is actually 15 miles per hour. This little guy can reach some super high speeds, but in addition to letting it just freely roam around, it actually comes with a stunt dome. Now once you flick this thing once when it's inside, it starts racing around this dome super fast, and it makes a super cool effect with those LED flashing lights. While this thing is racing around the stunt dome, you can go ahead and even put it on the ground, and it's going to start going in all different sorts of direction, taking on a life of its own and becoming sort of a hamster ball. It's so much fun. Pets will be chasing it around, and kids absolutely love it. In addition to the stunt dome, it even comes with this really cool lanyard. All you have to do is connect it to the car and then hold a pen down on the loop of the lanyard, and this thing will race around in circles, and it goes so fast that all you see is a blur of light. It is so much fun to watch. Now the best way to get these going inside the dome is to turn them on, place them upside down in the dome, close it, and then give it a little flick. Now when it's inside that ball, this thing seems to defy gravity. It hugs the wall, it goes upside down. It is an absolute blast. And here's the cool thing. When you buy more than one, you're actually going to save more money. But the cool thing about that is that with the lanyard, you can actually set up 2 of those lanyards on the same pen, and 2 of them will race around each other. These things are an absolute blast. I know you're absolutely going to love them, so head on over to the site and grab yours today.